Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by building the modal visuals and overlay together so behavior is predictable. Make a frame for the modal content and a full bleed rectangle for the dim overlay, group them, and convert into a component. Once done, create a second instance as your hidden state on the page. This approach ensures consistent spacing and makes it easy to reuse. You'll save time and avoid inconsistent layouts when you later trigger the pop-up from multiple buttons. Now you add interactivity by converting the component into variants, one for hidden and one for visible. You then add an on-click trigger from your button to change to the visible variant, using Smart Animate for smooth motion. This gives the pop-up a natural entrance. Make the overlay instance clickable so it changes to hidden when tapped, and set the main frame to fix position when scrolling if you want the modal to stay put. This keeps focus and prevents background scrolling. Finish by choosing the prototype overlay settings. Center it or position manually and pick timing and easing that feel right. Test every flow, open from different buttons, tap the close icon, and try the escape key if you added that shortcut. If something fails, inspect component nesting and fix position elements. Conflicts often come from a child not being in the same component or from overflow hidden on parent frames. Fix those, retest, and make sure the overlay intercepts clicks as intended.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.